Hi, Danielle. Daniela, where are you?
I'm back.
She's back. All right, we're gonna be flattening some slabs there. And let's have a look at what's going on inside the shop.
I used to act kind of normal, I couldn't complain. Now it's never the same. I found myself picking pieces of my scattered brain. Look what you've done to me, my insanity. Oh baby, hey.
All right, the shop is busy, busy, busy. Daniela is here surfacing slabs using the CNC, and it's going really well. On Wednesday, I believe, was her first day. Gave her some quick training on how we balance the slabs, how we use the machine. She's doing a fantastic job. We want to always try and end up with the thickest slabs we can. We don't want to have much waste. So it is very important that you understand how to balance slabs, how to understand, you know, a warp this way, warp that way, and how to get the most out of the slab. And she's doing a fantastic job. The guys at Legacy Lumber, Mitch, and our part-time help Troy, they're packing up yesterday's batch of Sosuji bond siding, which we got oiled. So that's pretty awesome. And then Steve finished up the epoxy table that maybe you saw on my Instagram channel. If not, we're gonna get some pretty cool shots of it right now so you get to see what it is. We mounted some X legs to it, and I think it looks pretty dynamite, looks awesome. Justin's in there too. We got a lot going on. Justin's in there creating some samples for a client. We recently got the okay and a deposit for a 13-foot long epoxy river table that will have crystal clear epoxy, but they do want it slightly cloudy or opaque looking through. So we're gonna make up 2 samples using the same walnut also of the same tree that she'll be getting her table from. So the colors of the wood match pretty nicely, and we're gonna give her 2 options of the clarity of the epoxy. Justin's prepping those samples now. We'd like to get it poured before the end of the day. That way it'll be hard come Monday, Tuesday, and we'll be able to do the sanding and finishing steps of that and get her the samples. I'm gonna go in right now, get you some awesome B-roll of what's going on. So what do we got going on here?
So this is gonna be our sample board for our epoxy. So we're gonna tuck tape it, put the walls up, and do our nice clear pours on these nice pieces of walnut.
Daniela, you've been running the CNC for a little bit now. You got any pro tips?
Don't hit metal.
So there's the pro tip from Daniela. Don't hit metal. Check it out, we just smashed into a big giant nail in the slab. Luckily, the carbide insert bit, we're able just to switch the inserts. I think they're $3 or $4, so it's not a huge deal, although we lose a little bit of time on labor and whatnot. But it's a small price to pay to be saving these trees and getting them converted into beautiful lumber.
Just wrapping up on this beautiful Friday. We just cut up some nice walnut logs, maintained all the machines today.
I don't know what you're doing. I don't know how you
So we just had a customer drop by. We're gonna be doing a little bit of log hunting. We're looking for 12-foot long, about a 30-inch diameter white oak log. So we'll see what we can find for him. And we came up to grab the RTV to be able to boot around the property a little bit. It's really muddy here right now. And just notice Mitch is taking care of some maintenance on the machines, which is fantastic. I'll be the first to tell you, because I'm guilty of this. I don't maintain machinery very well, and when you don't do that, you have breakdowns, and it really leads to more problems and more time wasted, which is more money wasted. So I'm super happy to see Mitch maintaining some of the machines. So that's the end of vlog 14. Thank you as always for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to smash that like button. So until next time, have a great one.